You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is so often mispronounced because it's of Hawaiian origin, from Hawaii or Hawaii. If you want to learn more Hawaiian names, by the way, stay tuned for more videos for you pronounced not Maile or Maile, not even Maile, don't even think about it, but not even Maile, I know it's often pronounced that way, rather Maile, because it's from Hawaiian and the E is pronounced E, alright? It means a vine or a small tree in Hawaiian language. Maile, how to pronounce in English and in Hawaiian. Maile, English pronunciation, Maile. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.